Call of Destiny Program Review. Does this program really work or it's just a scam? Hey, my name is David and I feel shy to speak in the mic. So, I used this awesome robotic voice to create this unbiased review, which will help you to choose the right product. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to Manifestation Unleashed channel for such useful law of attraction, spirituality, numerology and astrology videos. Before proceeding to the review, if you decide to buy Call of Destiny program, check out the link in the description of this video to get it at a special discounted price. First, let's know, what is Call of Destiny program all about? Call of Destiny is an online platform that helps one to acknowledge all the signals and messages sent by extraterrestrial bodies to you. They make one aware of the movements and positioning of stars and planets because all this is linked directly to your destiny and everything that life has got for you. Call of Destiny has made it an aim to help and support you in your expedition through life. You will be able to use all the astrological tools that you would need to know what destiny brings for you. Benefits of Call of Destiny. Many people spend all their lives in ignorance. They are born and the next thing they know is that they are about to die on their deathbed, taking their last breaths. They die without tasting how success and satisfaction feel like. However, there is no need for you to live such an ignorant life and die like that. You deserve much more. So, it is better to learn to change your destiny and achieve success with knowledge and gratitude. All this can be achieved with the help of Call of Destiny. You will get to know how astrological tools work. With their help, you will be able to make changes and improve how you live. The motion of stars governs your health as well as well-being. The Call of Destiny review makes it clear that you shall be able to avoid health problems and diseases that you might be prone to, unknowingly. Not only this, but the movement and positioning of stars is also the caretaker of your love life and relationships. So, once you start using the astrological tools that Call of Destiny provides, you shall be able to know who is genuinely interested in your well-being and who might prove to be toxic. If you are facing difficulties in managing your finances or are facing any loss in your financial situation, you should go for the tools and help guides provided exclusively by the Call of Destiny. This is because this shall help you bring back your lost success in your financial situation. They will be able to make you aware of when it would be good to spend or invest, or when you should restrict yourself and not spend any money at all. With all the instructions and precautions provided, you will surely be able to get back the lost money and may even save up more than needed. It is expected out of human beings to go out of their comfort zones and learn how this massive universe works. However, there is no doubt that many of us fail miserably in doing so. Therefore, Call of Destiny is a platform that will guide you throughout your journey and gain as much knowledge as possible. How does Call of Destiny work? First of all, you have to make an account from the official website of Call of Destiny. You shall be guided to a page that lists several books written by professional astrologers. If interested in reading, you should go and buy yourself the books that you think fits your understanding. As per Call of Destiny review, after going through the book, when you think that you should get yourself more insight about everything, book yourself an appointment on Call of Destiny. The professional astrologers will teach you about your zodiac signs, etc. You will be given personalized astrology reports with every point explained in depth. The detailed report will be comprehensive and can be easily understood by a layman. What is included in Call of Destiny? Every customer is provided a personalized astrological report, based on his or her details. Not only this, but the professional astrologers are experts and the best ones in their field. They will guide you about what things will prove to be beneficial for you based on your stars. Books such as Secrets of the Stars, How to Receive What You Deserve, Practical Astrology, How to Pick the Best Moment for Doing Anything, Medical Astrology, How to Use the Stars to Stay Healthy, The Secret Influence of Astrology in Your Life, The Power of Your Rising Sign, as well as many more books will be available to you at Call of Destiny. According to Call of Destiny review, these books possess within them the secrets to the powers with the help of which you can change your destiny and turn around your life by a whopping 180 degrees. Who is Call of Destiny for? The knowledge shared by the experts at Call of Destiny is for anyone irrespective of their gender, religion, background, color, or race. The professional astrologers believe that everybody on our planet should know the knowledge that connects to the invisible power that resides within nature. Therefore, if you wish to connect yourself with such powers, then Call of Destiny is just the place for you. You will be made aware of what your zodiac sign carries and how you can bring improvements in your life and tread a path to success. Call of Destiny Review, my final verdict. This personalized report has got all the secrets that you carry with yourself of which even you might be unaware of. So, it is highly recommended to become a member of Call of Destiny so that you can make it up for your past mistakes